to another video. So it might be a little bit fuzzy because I have my waterproof case, because this whole episode, video, whatever you want to call it, is for Splash Mountain. Splash Mountain is getting changed, and although I am not that sad about it, I still want to remember it, so I'm gonna record it. Yeah. It's literally so dark on this camera.
Wow.
I'm already wet.
What did he say?